Mono wheels are recognized for their balancing challenges and instability, which raise safety concerns. When not controlled properly, these designs can lead to accidents, highlighting their intriguing yet perilous nature. Transitioning to four-car motorcycles, this design presents a unique seating arrangement that unfortunately compromises passenger safety. By positioning riders directly in danger during collisions, it reflects the limited understanding of safety during that era. In Asia, skinny wheels have gained traction, but they come with significant risks. While visually appealing, their design can adversely affect stability and control during rides, raising serious safety questions. The reduced grip area inherent in skinny wheels results in diminished traction, heightening the risk of losing control, particularly on slippery surfaces. This aspect is pivotal for ensuring rider safety. While skinny wheels enhance maneuverability under ideal conditions, they can destabilize motorcycles on sudden changes in road surfaces. This unpredictability increases the likelihood of accidents, making caution essential. High handlebars in custom motorcycles create a distinctive aesthetic, yet they can also lead to rider fatigue and impaired visibility. These factors further escalate safety concerns for those choosing this style. Additionally, extra seats on a motorcycle disrupt its intended weight distribution, compromising handling. This creates a higher risk of tipping over, particularly during sharp turns. Riding a motorcycle without a seat introduces unique challenges, requiring riders to stand and engage their core muscles to maintain balance and stability throughout the journey. Meanwhile, the open chain drive design, although nostalgic, presents dangers such as exposure to debris and increased injury risks during accidents, impacting overall rider safety. The Springer front end, notable in early 20th century design, offered innovative shock absorption. However, this also introduced mechanical complexities and maintenance challenges for riders. Radial engines, known for their size, pose considerable challenges in motorcycles, including stability issues and complex maintenance requirements due to oiling problems. Integrating skis into motorcycle design creates an exhilarating experience for riders, yet it also introduces risks due to unstable handling and the unconventional nature of this feature. The placement and movement of skis greatly influence a motorcycle's stability, potentially leading to tipping risks during sharp turns. Ensuring proper spacing of skis is crucial for maintaining balance. Concerns arise from the unpredictability of steering and control on various terrains. High speeds or sudden maneuvers complicate handling and increase the potential for accidents. Historical innovations, such as acetylene headlights, while technologically advanced, posed risks that often compromise safety under practical conditions, despite their intended benefits. The propeller design introduced unpredictable aerodynamic forces at high speeds, making control challenging for riders. This instability overshadowed any potential performance advantages. Moreover, the proximity of the spinning propeller created severe injury risks during accidents or sudden movements. Even minor mechanical failures could result in perilous situations. Finally, early motorcycles with hand-shifted gears compromised rider control by requiring them to take a hand off the handlebars. This design increased the risk of accidents and reduced overall stability.